Unboxing and installation of the Kangen K8 machine. We have another happy customer. Hi Elizabeth. Hello. Hi. Who bought Kangen water machine, and the package arrived. I'm gonna show you how the machine arrives. There you go, all taped up, Enagic. And Tanya is gonna open up and set it up, and I'm gonna film it so you can all see how quickly and easily it is done. Our team is growing by the day. Elizabeth bought the Kangen water machine on our installment plan, which makes it very affordable indeed. And I think she's paying only £100 a month in repayment installments. Here is the internal box.
180.
Oh, it's 180. But the monthly payment varies according to the repayment duration. If you go for 2 years, I believe it is £100 a month.
Nice.
There you go. Tanya is now going.
Documents. This CD, how to install. And there is pH tester. There is the diverters.
And by the way, I'm filming with Elizabeth's permission. She's very happy to share the news and the setup process.
This is cleaning powders.
Yeah, let me show you the cleaning pouches. This is simply citric acid, and you need to clean the machine depending on the use from every 2 weeks to once a month. I travel a lot, so I only clean it once a month. There's the machine, the latest model K8.
So we've got machine.
As you saw, the machine is very well packaged.
The cable.
Okay.
This diverters.
And the machine comes with a pack of different converters that you need to put on the tip of the tap.
This one.
You have a choice of plastic ones or metal ones.
Okay. Also,
and the CD with instructions.
Okay.
But if you join our team, one of us will make sure that we come to your home and we install the machine for you. So you don't have to worry about watching the instructions on the DVD.
An electrolysis enhancer. Okay. This is, and this is
tube, the tubing, yeah.
Okay, now just turn.
So we are now removing the packaging.
Look, the colouring pencil just there.
We have a full house today, so if you hear noises, it's the kids playing in the background.
I just want to take a picture.
Yellows.
5, 4, 3, 2,
Side.
1.
So there
Blast
should have
off!
some water inside because it's
Oh, Tanya just told me an important thing. As she unwrapped the packaging, there's some water leaking from the secondary hose. The secondary hose is here. And the reason this is because before it leaves the factory, they test every single machine. So don't be alarmed if you find a few drops of water.
So take this.
Okay, you remove the red cap.
Okay, so now
By moving, get the pens.
plug this somewhere.
The blue and yellow.
Okay, I'm gonna show you step 1. We are plugging the machine into the electrical socket. One end of the plug goes up there.
Okay.
Okay, so one end is inserted at the back of the machine. Tanya, move so I can show. There. And then we plug the machine into an electrical socket.
But we plug a bit later, yeah?
I'm on my set.
Okay.
Around the back. Twist it.
Yeah, you can do it later on.
See,
yeah?
when people are interested in health, it doesn't matter how much space you have or pliers. We need some pliers to remove the faucet.
Let me ask him. Yes, what kind of
Yeah,
tools?
we need to take this.
So we need to remove the faucet tip and replace it with the converter. I think this is just standard tap. Before Tanya and I left, we forgot to put our pliers in the bag, so we're improvising and unscrewing the faucet tip with just these pliers. But there you go, the faucet tip is removed. And now we need to find the right size converter.
Just plug that in. You don't lose anything.
Okay, I think it's this one.
Give him all.
Can you reach it, please?
So there you go, I think Tanya got it right first time. This is
Thank you, all
the
of you.
width
You're very good. Ruben?
that fits this tap perfectly.
Okay.
Right, she screwed the converter in.
No whistles until we finish, please.
And this is the device that switches the water from running from the tap to running into the machine. So guys, if two women can do it, I think anybody can do it. Oh, and this is our water sharing bags.
And now, look here.
From Nelly's house yesterday.
Okay. We unscrewed the side part and we're hooking the machine hose into that port. So she's now gonna tighten the nut. So it just goes to show that you don't need plumbers, you don't need particularly experienced people. The connection is very easy.
Okay. So maybe. Okay, yeah.
Cold water.
Okay, the machine is connected. Tanya showed that.
Okay, it's connected from here.
Okay, and
So this is how you switch the machine.
but they're just setting it up.
Settings, okay. Okay, and then what do
We've got languages, 8.
we go for English.
Okay.
Just
There is filter check.
Filter check is brand new, so there you go.
what time?
Okay, we accept.
Okay. And there is a filter here.
This is the internal filter that comes with the machine, which is a wide spectrum filter.
Okay. Now, the water on. Coming from the tap.
This is regular tap water which you can use to wash the dishes.
Okay. When you turn this
You divert the water flow to the machine.
and choose 9.5 pH.
Yes.
Because the machine is brand new, it takes some time for the water to go through the filter. And there we go! We have Kangen water in the house!
Lovely.
And
Can I have the glass, please?
Working.
glasses.
Thank you. show.
Hello, is a friend arrived as well.
My neighbor, Paul.
Hello. Wait for it. First glass goes to Elizabeth.
Yeah.
But let me show you how different the water is.
I would like to have the water a little bit for few 1 minute, yeah?
There's another cup.
Because it's first, huh?
There's another
We're just prepping the filter, so you just need to let the water run for 1 minute.
Okay, now I think it's okay. Look, the water is cloudy. So
Let me
drink
zoom
the,
in. Yes,
drink
the water
clouds.
is cloudy.
This is the active hydrogen inside, yeah?
Okay.
So
This is the healing hydrogen.
Amen.
Amen. To your health.
Is it supposed to be cloudy like that?
Yes,
yeah,
this is
no,
the good
it's
one.
disappear for a few seconds, but
Is it tiny bubbles of hydrogen?
this is healthy.
Do you see how cloudy it is?
It just looks cloud, but it's going to disappear in a minute. You know?
Is that healthy?
Yes, this is the
water,
active
it's pure water.
hydrogen.
Clean
You'll
water.
come to a demo and we'll show you. Look, it's now already starting to clear from the bottom.
Here you are. For you.
My breakfast.
Yeah, your breakfast.
My
yeah?
first 2 glasses.
Okay. I drink as well, so I'm not gonna die. I drink it from 2 years. Yeah.
It's the best water.
See, when I go to get the water from
It's
someone
better
else.
to drink when it's cloudy.
Yes. I will sit one with it.
And we all have special bottles. Tanya is now gonna wash hers.
Take some to my grandchildren now.
Yeah, we have to give some water to the kids. But for kids, you start them off with 8 point pH.
Okay, so
Would you
we
like
get-
more? More? No?
I drank so much
Okay.
water of this.
Just to show you guys, do you see where the toxic water goes down? This secondary hose expels the acidic water.
Okay, yeah.
That's what I use for Kangen.
This is 9.5.
Oh, okay, yes.
Yeah.
You're saying for the children 8.5.
Okay, 8.5 for the children.
Yes, if you're giving
Now,
it
have you
to...
done-
Well, I wish we brought our measuring tools and instruments. We just thought we are hooking up the machine.
Yeah, it's okay.
It's alright, drink the water and experience the difference. You'll see. You'll have a surge of energy, mental clarity. You'll sleep well. Your bowel movements may change. So if you have constipation, you'll go straight away.
It becomes a
Is
regular
it?
thing.
Yeah.
This is light water.
I'm going to give my grandson now. He's been
And I feel so light.
That is good.
8.5.
First time I tried it, I drank 2 liters.
Fresh.
Yes, and without getting the heavy feeling in my stomach.
Give them fresh water straight away from the...
Whoa, that's